at the famous peanut factory.
And if there's an emergency evacuation, we're just going to meet over at the fence on the other side there and wait for further instructions. Right, so to get to the tour, you're just going to
Go on up here. Good morning.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you. Sticker. Ooh, we're going up there. They gave us a red carpet welcome. It's exciting. Ooh, peanut butter menu at the cafe. And this is where they're all from. I'm sure they're staff.
Oh, it's not from Nigeria.
We,
That's African.
not even South Africa.
No, African.
Where are you from? Let's take it. This is for where we export PB. This is where the tour team are from when you see this star, and where you are from. So there's a lot of people from Europe. So let's put us. Take it. Ta-da! Nigeria is here. Somewhere here. Finally.
Yay. We have
Africa. Africa's on the map. Yeah. Self-guided. So this is a history, and apparently pigs for wholesale peanut supply and came across Auckland-based Australian called Greg.
Leading all the way. On the left is crunchy and on the right is smooth. The warm peanut butter oozes into the jars 4 at a time. The famous star lid is added first. Give you a wee peek.
These are the nuts. Raw nuts, shells, roast nuts.
Huge 800 kilogram.
Through this hallway, there is a jar of PB in 75% homes in America. Or the hoppers and grinders, different beer. It's not. These are all the different jars. Oh, these are different peanuts though.
local peanut butters.
Oh, where is the
American one.
Skippy?
Skippy. That's another Skippy, but this is from.
See, Fix and
Chinese.
Fog.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Before peanuts.
To keep like he's like, okay, I'm too old now.
His first early life was just chaotic. Just. You make your own peanut butter by cycling and grinding it.
There will be a lot of peanut butter.
Okay.
Just waiting to
Yeah. I believe this is the parking line. That is the tape to seal the carton. We have another set of Africans.
They actually put that there. I think it comes to South Africa. So when we export our PB,
Oh, they export to South
yeah.
Africa. Well, it wasn't there when we came.
Yeah, it wasn't there. Nothing was in Africa.
That boy said he lives on the ship.
Well,
Seeds and nuts, peanuts. Can buy the bowl. Can buy the big one. Some games. Honey. Oh. They sell honey. And because he taught New Zealand, so they have a puzzle. Can get a gift set, a gift box. Gem certified and coffee. Oh, coffee cups with their color and logo. Swap a jar. Okay. I have no salt. I have salt. This is what he used to do the Great Toaster Tour. He drove from top of New Zealand to bottom of New Zealand. And they have souvenirs if you want. That's him now. That's him. Mr. Pig, the menace. Almond butter. I would like to try it. So, got the slab. And almond butter at the peanut butter factory.
what a coincidence.
And then this one. So before you eat it, you knead it. Oopsie. Knead. And squeeze. Now tear here. So mix me up. Knead me, squeeze me. Okay, time to eat it here. And oh, so that the oil mixes. I didn't even need mine properly.